Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start factorization. How to factorize a given polynomial. So first question, let's start. It is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay. So how you are going to factorize it? Now see, what is the degree? Degree over here in this polynomial is 2. So how many factors we will be getting? We will be getting the 2 factors. Fine. So what we are going to do, just see the constant. Constant over here is 1. And what is the coefficient of x square? It is 12. We are going to multiply these two. One is constant and one is coefficient of x square, which is equal to 2. Now and that is 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Now search for the factors of the 12. So it is 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, that is 3 4s are 12, and after that it will be repetition. So आपने ये आपके 12 के फैक्टर्स आ गए. आपको ऐसे दो फैक्टर्स चाहिए जिनको प्लस या माइनस करने पर यू विल बी गेटिंग 7. So that factor is 3 and 4 and multiply करने पर आपके पास क्या आना चाहिए 12. So 3 and 4, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So हमें factors मिल गए, but we have to check for the sign. Over here sign of 7 is minus. That means अगर हम दोनों terms को positive लेंगे then it will be plus, but in the answer we need -7. So both the term will be of minus sign. And when we are going to multiply both the negative numbers, we will be getting plus 12. And over here it is 12 ones are 12 plus 12 and minus 3 minus 4 will be equal to -7. So how we are going to write this? First term 12x square, 7x minus 7x will be written as now minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. Fine. Now combine these two. 12 and 3. What is the common factor between 12x square and 3x? It is 3x. Inside will be 4x minus 1. What will be the common factor now here? It will be minus 1. Inside will be 4x minus 1. Fine. When जब आप 4x पे से -1 कॉमन ले लोगे, inside will be 4x with plus sign. Why? When the outside the bracket there is minus sign. जब आप bracket open करते हैं, आप सभी को पता है sign will get change, opposite sign बन जाता है. ठीक है. So over here 4x is of plus sign. When you will open the bracket it will become minus. So it is minus 4x minus 1. Minus into minus will be plus. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Now combine 3x and minus 1. So it is 3x minus 1 and second is 4x minus 1. So these are the two factors of 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay. So let us start second question. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So again what we are going to do, just see what is the constant 3 and what is the coefficient of x square? It is 2. Just find out the product of these two. It is 3 2s are 6. Now अब हमें क्या करना है? We have to find out the factors of 6. Just check for the tables in which 6 is coming. So it is 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 2 is 6. So again they are repeating. So अब ये हमारे पास 6 के factors हैं, 3 2 2 3 1 6. इसमें से आपको वो वाले फैक्टर्स चाहिए जिनको प्लस या माइनस करने पर आपके पास क्या आता है कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स विच इज 7 ओवर हियर विद प्लस साइन. सो सी हियर 1 6 आर 6 प्रोडक्ट आ गया हमारे पास एंड 1 plus 6 that will be equal to plus 7. Over here it is of plus sign, so both the term will be of plus. Okay, so what are the factors? 1 and 6. So how you are going to write? 2x square as it is first term plus. Now how can we write 7x? It is 1x plus 6x. 1x plus 6x plus 3 as it is. Okay, now solve. Combine these two. What is the common factor over here? Only x. Okay, 1 and 2 एक साथ कौन से टेबल में आते हैं? Only 1. So x is common. Now inside will be 2x plus 1. Over here it was only x. X we have taken out. So inside will be 1 plus 6 and 3 एक साथ कौन से टेबल में आते हैं? It is in the table of 3. 3 we have taken common. Inside will be now 6x. 3 के टेबल में it is 2x plus 3 we have taken out. Inside will be 1. Okay, now see, check the multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 1x plus 3 1s are 3. Okay, so now combine x and 3, x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Now see, the degree of this polynomial was 2, and in your answer how many factors you are getting? X plus 3 and 2x plus 1. So this was the way in which you are factorize the polynomials. So let us start third part. So what is the third part now? Third part is, it is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So how you are going to solve this? So let us start. So see, this is your question. Fine. So 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So now, what is the constant term? Minus 6. And what is the coefficient of x square? 6. Multiply both these. So it is minus 36. Fine. It is minus 36. Now you have to search for the factors of the 36. 36 कौन से टेबल में आता है? So it is 2 18s are 36. 6 6 are 36. 4 9s are 36. Okay. So see, these two are the factors. अब यहाँ से आपके पास ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर्स है जिनको प्लस या माइनस करने पर आपके पास 5 आए, प्लस 5 आए, और मल्टीप्लाई करने पर माइनस 36 आए. सो इट विल बी 9 4s are 36 एंड 5 9 4 हमें क्या चाहिए? 5. So 9 minus 4, 5 is of plus sign, that means greater number will be of plus sign. So it will be 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5, and 9 multiplied by minus 4 will be equal to minus 36. So what are our factors? So let us write 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. 5x can be written as 9x minus 4x, and 9 multiplied by minus 4 will be equal to minus 36. Now take these two, 3, 6 and 9. They are coming in the table of 3. So 3x is common. 2x plus 3. 2 and 6, they are coming in the table of 2. Minus 2 is common. So 2x plus 3. See, the term which is inside the bracket, that should be the same. Okay, now combine these two. So it is 3x minus 2 and it is 2x plus 3. So these are the two factors of this polynomial. Fine. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.